Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula. I am your CEO and founder of The Boutique by Ursula. I am back with another try-on haul. In this try-on haul, I am featuring more cute, comfy, and cozy pieces. I didn't do a try-on haul for the cute, comfy, and cozy collection. However, that was the spring collection, and it was the biggest collection, should I say, the biggest selling collection for The Boutique thus far. What that did was that let me know what you girls like and what y'all want from The Boutique. And y'all, it's been 9 months since I've launched. We are actually slowly, not slowly, but quickly approaching the 1-year anniversary. So anyway, I am trying on a few pieces. It's not a full collection. You know what? These are the newest arrivals that are heading to The Boutique. Before we get all the way into the video, y'all already know the routine. Stop, subscribe to the channel, click that subscribe button, and don't forget your notification bell. I am trying my hardest, y'all, to get back into the swing of things and bringing you videos. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, up first is one of our favorites here at The Boutique, and that is the Lucky Charm t-shirt dress. You ladies absolutely love the Lucky Charm t-shirt dress. They are so cute, they're comfortable, they're lightweight, and I mean, they're perfect for this summer heat. It's a piece you could dress up or down. Today, I'm showing you the downside of all the pieces. But, I mean, however you're feeling, if you want to add heels, of course, your handbag, you want to add a fedora hat, whatever, you're able to do that. This is just your foundation. Remember, it's not what you wear, it's how you wear it. So, let me step back. This is our green apple Lucky Charm t-shirt dress. This is the back. She's really cute. If you don't know, she comes with front pockets. She's full of stretch, hip right at the knee. I'm wearing a size large. She does contain stretch, but she fits true to size. Large is my true size. So that's why I say she fits true to size, because the large fits just fine on me. Depending on how you like your dresses to fit, you're able to size up or you're able to size down. It's really up to you. However, I love the way the size large fits on me. Guess what? Look. Here she is. This is the hot pink Lucky Charm t-shirt dress. Really cute. So we have two choices that's coming in our new arrivals that are set to drop on Friday, June 17th at 9 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time. Set your reminder. And the good thing about this, it doesn't matter where you are. You could be in Houston, you could be all the way in Alabama, Maryland. Baby, it does not matter, because you can access us from your very own living room in the comfort of your own home. All you need is your phone, laptop, tablet, iPad, whatever you use. Set your reminder to log on to shoptheboutique.com. All right, next up is another one of our popular items. This is the Sunny Days biker short set. Now, y'all love these as well. I mean, I'm telling you everything. I don't even have to say that, because if it was part of the cute, comfy, and cozy collection, then y'all already know. I told y'all that was my biggest collection thus far. So all of the pieces were equally loved. But this kiwi green biker short set is coming to The Boutique on Friday, June 17th at 9 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time. Again, set your reminder. If you have not purchased one of our Sunny Days biker short sets or one of our mellow out legging sets, I am telling you, you are missing out. Talk about comfortable, cute, all at the same time. You don't have to do too much. I mean, who doesn't love a two-piece set? But look at this. You see how the top fits? It hits below the bottom. It's kind of like almost high-low. It's a little short here and it hangs a little bit more back here. You are able to, if you want to, you can let her hang back there. You can tie her up here. It just depends on how you want to wear her. I mean, you can put her on with a pair of heels. I told you, each one of these pieces you're able to dress up or down. I'm wearing a size large. This is a cute pocket in the front. Have the slits on each side, and I mean, she's Bermuda style, really depending on your height. The Sunny Days biker short sets come in sizes small through extra large, and that's also the Lucky Charm t-shirt dresses. If you have not purchased any of these pieces, if you have not made a purchase from The Boutique, what are you doing? What are you doing? You need to log on to shoptheboutique.com. We have plenty of pieces on the website, and you could just make your choice. Now, some pieces, actually, there are a lot of pieces on there. They have limited sizing right now, but I'm telling you, I know you'll find your size in something that's on there. So take a look. Make sure you log on because she won't last long. This pretty green, and I don't even know if the camera is really catching the color. See that? Cute. Next up, we have a really cute jumpsuit. Very, very comfortable. She doesn't have a name yet, but she is a pretty mustard yellow color. And as you can see, she's a bit cropped. She is wrinkled. I did not steam this piece, so she's cropped, which means she doesn't hit all the way at the ankles and she's below the knee. So it's kind of like a midway point. Kind of wide leg, not really, well, yes, a little wide leg. She has front pockets, really cute. She has this non-functioning drawstring. When I say a non-functioning drawstring, that means this drawstring here, if you take her loose, she just comes loose. She doesn't actually cinch the waist. So that's why she's non-functioning. She's just here, I guess, for decoration. I don't know. She's sleeveless, kind of tank style, wide tank style. This is the back. As you can see, there's elastic that go around here that's kind of attached to the non-functioning drawstring. Like I said, it's just kind of here. But she's really cute. I am wearing a size large. This piece goes from a small to an extra large as well. I say it runs true to size because I'm able to wear a size large. This is how she fits. It works, very comfortable. Another piece you can dress up or down. It just depends on your mood and the occasion. All right, y'all, we have come to the last look of the day, which is the last newest arrival that will land on shoptheboutique.com on Friday, June 17th at 9:00 a.m. Central Standard Time. Again, she doesn't have a name, but by the time you log on, you will see she will have a name, and she is really, really cute. She is a one-piece denim outfit, fitted, baby. She's fitted. So if fitted clothing is not your thing, she is not for you. But I absolutely love her. So let me let you see. I told you, she is fitted, really cute. This is the back. I absolutely love these cute little puff sleeve detail. This detail on each side. This zipper. She is full of stretch, y'all. She look like you can't breathe, but she really is full of stretch. She comes down to the ankle. I'm only 5'3", so I can't say that's a plus because I don't know how she would fit on someone a little taller. But the thing about this, even if you are taller and she comes up a little shorter, this will still rock. It will still be cute because she's fitted. And guess what? The outfit don't make you. You make the outfit. You make it look good. Now, let me point out something. See how this part is made? It's like a cup. It's supposed to be, I guess, your breast actually supposed to fit in here. I don't know whose breast they actually measured when making this garment, but this right here, this is just too small. I'm a 38 double D. And look at this. But guess what? I will still wear her. She will still rock. She is still cute. What y'all think? You can also dress her up or down. You can wear her with heels. As you can see, I have her on with some cute flip-flops. But baby, I wouldn't dare wear her with flip-flops. I would actually put her on with a cute pair of heels. This right here, I know everyone don't do brunch. Brunch is not everyone's thing. Brunch is definitely my thing. I love it. And when I saw her, I was like, oh, she just screamed brunch. But baby, you'll be hot, but you'll be cute. That will wrap up this try-on haul. Now, again, This is not a collection. We just have some new arrival pieces that will be dropping on Friday, June 17th at 9 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time. So I advise you to set your reminder. If you see something here today that you like, set your reminder. And also follow me. If you are not following The Boutique on Instagram, go ahead and follow us at shop_The Boutique, as well as at The Boutique_Baddie and Curvy Girl Style Guide. Those are all three of my pages, but Shop The Boutique is the page. That is the one. And of course, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you click your notification bell. Leave me a comment. Let's see some fire emojis, because baby, all of these pieces, although they cute, comfy, and cozy pieces, they still fire pieces. So leave me some fire emojis to let me know that you like the pieces. And I ask that you share. Y'all already know sharing means caring. I will catch each of you, same place, same channel. Till then, stay poppin'. Adios.